Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and we are going to we're going to model life, we're going to model things using standard form. We're going to model some real life situations in standard form. All right, my goal, I can create and use linear equations and graphs to model real life situations. Line equations will help me understand the world around me and make predictions. In the last lesson, you learned how to graph lines using standard form. Today, you're going to learn how real world scenarios can be modeled using standard form. If you go to a store and apples cost $3 per pound and bananas cost $5 per pound and you only have $15, how many pounds of each can you buy? How can you mix and match it? Standard form can do this for you. So if apples cost $1, how much would, let me zoom, can I zoom out? There you go. So one apple would be what? 1 times $1, right? Which would be $1. 2 apples would be 2 times $1. 3 apples would be 3 times $1. 4 apples would be 4 times $1. A apples would be A times 1, right? 1 banana would be 1 times $2. 2 bananas would be 2 times $2. 3 bananas would be 3 times $3. $2, excuse me. 4 bananas would be 4 times $2. B bananas would be B times $2. So for this situation, we know that 1A plus 2B equals $20 total. $1 times the number of apples plus $2 times the number of bananas equals $20 spent. This models that situation, that scenario. Okay, so let's get that into our notes. These are kind of hard notes to take today because it's a lot of words. All right, what's our topic? Our topic is clear all. Math models life standard form. So our name, so we're going to go with $1 times A plus $2 times B equals $20. This models a scenario where apples cost $1, bananas cost $2, and I have $20 to spend. We're going to add to this a little bit. What does A represent? Number of apples, and B is number of bananas. This is a standard equation that I could solve for. So I could break this into my mini equations, which I'm going to do right now, and graph it. So I know that x equals 20 and 2y equals 20. So x equals 20 and y equals 10. X equals 20, y equals 10. Connecting the dots with a line. And here's what it shows us. All of these good points, that's not a good point, but this. So this is apples. These are bananas. So I could buy no apples and 10 bananas. I could buy 2 apples and 9 bananas. I could buy 4 apples and 8 bananas. I could buy 6 apples and 7 bananas. I could buy 8 apples and 6 bananas. I could buy 10 apples and 5 bananas. Each of those points is a solution to this scenario. So we can model this in the exact same way. And I'm going to, you know what, try this one on your own, and then we'll do it into our notes. I can model this. Hey, it's a Mr. Bess. All right, so let's model this using a standard equation. So each book, no, so what am I buying? I'm buying books and pens. How much is a book? $8 times books plus $3 times pens equals a total of $24. Let's label that. B is the number of books. P is the number of pens. Let's model another one. In a supermarket, each cup costs $4 and each bowl costs $6. Let's model this. I think I can do that. You do not have to do this one in your notes. So $4 for cups, $6 for bowls, and I have to spend a total of $48. Okay, this is the one that's going to mess with you. In a coffee shop, you sell coffee for X dollars per cup. So ready? X dollars for a cup of coffee, X times the number of cups of coffee, plus Y dollars times the number of muffins, and you want to make a total of R dollars in revenue. So this is dollars times number of cups of coffee, dollars Y, cost of coffee, or muffins, times the number of muffins equals the total revenue. So what's my next slide? Okay. $200 adults times X, which is the cost of an adult ticket, plus 250 kids times Y, which is the cost of a kid's ticket, Y, equals a total of $3,800. Okay, we're back to this weird one. So you own a donut shop, you sell coffee for X, right? This is a cost of coffees, and times that by the number of coffees gives me how much I make off of coffees. Donuts for Y, right? Donuts, coffees, and what's my total revenue is R. So ready? XC plus YD equals R. Cost of a coffee times number of coffees, cost of a donut times number of donuts equals total revenue. We're going to put that one into our notes. XC plus YD equals R. What is X? Cost of coffee C is number of coffees Y is cost of donut. D is number of donut. And R is total revenue. All right. Hey, I think that's it for this lesson. Is it? No, you know what? There's still another one over here. What do I have? I got this one. Let's do it. Let's see. I've got a person and their weight. I have suitcases and their weight, and I have my total. So 150 per person plus 35 per suitcase. And we're going to make that 1,200 pounds. All right, hey, that's it. Thanks for watching.